A reputable large-scale oil meal extraction production line manufacturer focuses on delivering high-quality equipment with features that enhance productivity, reduce operational costs, and ensure food safety standards. The production lines typically integrate several stages including cleaning, crushing, cooking, pressing, solvent extraction, desolventizing. The technology used in these production lines incorporates state-of-the-art systems like continuous screw presses, hexane solvent extractors, and advanced control panels. These technologies allow for precise temperature and pressure management, ensuring consistent performance across different batches. Moreover, the manufacturers prioritize environmental sustainability by incorporating systems that recycle solvents and recover heat. Choosing the right manufacturer involves evaluating their technical expertise, customer support, and after-sales service. Many leading manufacturers offer customized solutions based on clients' capacity requirements, raw material types. In conclusion, large-scale oil meal extraction production line manufacturers are essential partners for businesses aiming to achieve industrial-level efficiency in oilseed processing. Their commitment to innovation, quality,